guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are trying to uploading the story on your Instagram. At the time you are facing this kind of irritating error on your phone. As you can see guys, in my screen, story not uploaded, something went wrong. Okay, so I'm going to show you 4 to 5 methods to fix this problem. So when you are facing this type of problem, first you need to check your phone's internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can 100% definitely face this type of irritating problem error on your app. Okay, and one more thing is this guys, if you are using any VPN service on your app, so temporarily you need to disable the VPN service. Because of VPN service also you can get this type of problem issues. Okay, and one more thing is this guys, you need to also check your phone's date and time is correct or not. If the date and time is incorrect, at that time you can also get this type of irritating problem error on your app. So after this guys, open the Play Store and check the Instagram app update. If the app update is available, just simply update your app. After updating, open the app, try to upload your story. Now it will fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to tap and hold on your app for a few seconds and open the app info. In the app info guys, go to storage. Here you need to clear the caches first. After clearing the caches, restart your phone and then try to upload your story. Now it will fix your problem. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now last thing, you need to clear your data. So remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the data, it may reset your Instagram setting, also it may log out your account. Okay, so this thing will happen after clearing the data. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So comment down below which method was work with you. If you enjoy our video, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.